Hello, my name is Benjamin Desgranges. I am a professor in physical activity. I work in a psychiatric hospital.
Hello, my name is Sardi Adrien. I'm also a professor of physical activity FITS and I work on the Education Center. Today we will introduce you to our working in some lines.
APA Terme was born in Quebec in 1970. In France, the STAPS University Education APA has developed since the 1980, and the APA statement will appear in the life of the degree in 1919. Supervised by the teacher, the APA group together all the physical and sport activity to the person's abilities. They are expanded from people with disabilities or age, chronic illness or social difficulties, for purpose of prevention, rehabilitation, reintegration, education, and or social participation.
University trained, they are specialists in physical activity and sports, health, disability, and social inclusion. They perform acts of evaluation, education, and planning. They develop customized programs of APS, issues related to prevention, rehabilitation, shave adaptation, rehabilitation, education, and or social participation. They exercise prescription or medical clearance in direct contact with the doctor, psychiatrist, and in close collaboration with allied health professionals or educators. Thrive in public or private institutions in association of varied help to identify the needs of people, child or adult, to access their physical, functional, cognitive and social skills, and identify safe conditions for the implementation of their practice for the purpose of care, rehabilitation, and support social. Their job require interpersonal skills with users, patients, residents or participants, coupled with scientific knowledge, professional recommendation, and consensus conference. Regulatory and technical tools and assessment method making the planning load.
In which jobs we have different tasks. Professional aims to participate in the design, conduct and evaluation of programs, rehabilitation and integration of the physical activity, adapted from individuals and groups wins in the following categories: functional and metabolic disorders, sensory disturbance, and engine, behavioral and personality, intellectual disabilities, social maladjustment, and disorders related to aging, chronic or lethal. The professional mission is to participate in the design, conduct, and evaluation of prevention programs, monitoring and education of health by the adapted physical activity among all age groups.
Now we talk about condition of working. In this work, it's very common to have several workplaces, since this job involves being in contact with a diverse and varied audience, which involved structure adapted to each. Professor of activity physique adaptive maybe is scheduled as wishes, and the need of patients is a profession or timetable are very highly variable. The advantage is that each audience has own characteristic with force always adapt and avoiding routine.
In our jobs, the environment is very specific. Professor of physical activity suitable for the well-being of the patient is forced to work a multidisciplinary team: doctor, psychologist, physical therapy, It can intern medical ills and even prisons. To do a good management, it's good that the teacher of physical activity adapted to be equipped with suitable equipment and gyms as a working tool.
More precisely, in the public, he has composed to children, adolescents, adults, seniors who may be affected by developmental disability, disorder, or addictive, musculoskeletal disorder, nervous, cardiovascular, and respiratory problems.
About the promotion and degrees, the National Education issues 3 diplomas post bachelor degree, level 2 qualification, APA's license, 3 years, and level 1 qualification, master RAPA, rehabilitation by the APA, 5 years, doctorate steps, 8 years. With these different diplomas, we can work in a social, association, federation, network, and medical, IME, ESAT, MAS, CESAD, nursing home, retirement home, and we can work in ILS, clinical, private public, other, for example, penitentiary, sectors leaders, business, and liberal.
Hold a master in engineering rehabilitation by the adapted physical activity. Managers are specialists in APA, evaluation, method and programming of physical exercise adapted for the purpose of health and social inclusion. Design, coordination, evaluation from the words and of their business. Guarantor of the project in APA, they have the status coordinator, project managers of department head.
Their formation can lead to structure APA service within a specialized institution, private, public, voluntary or federal, or manage a team of teachers in. APAs are multidisciplinary. They can also create their business.
And now we ask some question we are post in our personal site web. Why are you interested in this profession?
In this profession, I'm interested by the help we can give by the physical activity.
Okay. And why is your favorite public?
I think in my jobs, my favorite public is in psychiatry because I like the social.
Okay.
And in my formation, my training is very interesting and is in a psychiatry hospital.
Okay.
And you, what is your best qualities to teach right now?
I think the best quality is adaptation.
Okay, I think too. And what task do you find most difficult as a teacher?
The most difficult is to know particularity of characteristic of each public.
Okay, thank you for your attention.
Thank you, bye bye.